Evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much-anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here? No question, that's a foul. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. Bruno Fernandes, out to the left it goes, and the shot! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Alexandro sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Kroos plays it short. Oh, sweet feet. Alexandro delivers. Over to the left. Played into the middle. That's not going far. Hector Bellerin, proving impossible to wrestle off the ball. And he's there to hoof it away. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. He's had a goal! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. And it's Toni Kroos. He's there to cut it out, and out to safety. He's looked long this time. Ball in, just miscalculated. Oscar. Ruben Dias passes it forward. Bruno Fernandes. Arthur. Pogba. And it's played forward. Ruben Dias knocks it away.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Tries to dink it in. Big chance! Kroos. Hector Bellerin. Lovely feet. Good ball, it's Bruno Fernandes! Decent effort as the first half draws to a close. So the other team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, but still goals. And Sweeping half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. And we're off again. No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Goes for goal! He's there to make a great save.
Lesson simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. And it's been taken short. Just brushed off the ball there. Goes for goal!
Tebas really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Bruno Fernandes drives it forward. Jerome Boateng. Well, they continue each to cancel the other out. De Bruyne pushes to get on the end of it. And it's De Bruyne. De Bruyne delivers. Hits one! It's a goal! That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. Lyon take the lead, landing the first significant blow in what is certainly a significant contest. Pogba. Keeps everyone guessing. Alexandro. It has... tries a shot! No mistake! They have pulled themselves right back into it. Oh, high quality goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, I think the players will be buoyed by the fact that they've managed to level things in a hurry. Tails most definitely up now.
And it's Tevez. James Rodriguez. Loses his balance and loses the ball.
Concentration levels are very good.
It's an untidy challenge. Free kick given.
That's just very well played. He can hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Tevez drives it forward. And here comes the corner. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do.
Lyon merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Well, if anyone could, he could. You just knew it would be him.
And what is it about this guy when his team needs something special? He just seems to delve into his reserves of brilliant skill and release talents that average footballers can only dream about. Sensation, that's all I can say about that. Sensation. Oh, it's lovely to see the art of the skies alive and well, but the keeper straight into no man's land.
Having turned the game on its head, now can they hold out?
There's still a bit left in it, Peter, but they should find the necessary to avoid a slip-up now.
Lovely bit of skill there. It's a decent-looking cross. And he's there to clear it. James. And here's hits one! Goal! Lyon! We thought it was over. It's all square once more. Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from Lyon City.
So all square with almost no time remaining. Martinez. And time is up. Passion and panache and perseverance and